Once upon a time, there was a tiger. Boring, I already know that story. Does this sound familiar? Reading books to my grandson became a challenge. He would get distracted or run away after 5 minutes. Then I found a magic spell to grab his attention immediately. I whispered, "Actually, this story is about you." His eyes widened. That day, with the help of AI, my grandson became a space ranger who saved the galaxy. Here is how you can do it too. Scenario 1 is hero mode. I told AI, "My grandson loves fire trucks. Write a story where he saves the Candy Kingdom." AI wrote, "Wee woo, Captain Jiho is here." He couldn't look away for a second. Scenario 2 is the lesson. He hated brushing his teeth. So I made a story about Toothbrush Warrior fighting the cavity monsters. Instead of nagging, I read him the story. Now, he runs to the bathroom to fight the monsters. The best story in the world is the one where you are the hero. Tonight, ask AI to write a story for your grandchild. Grandma has a story about you. You will become their favorite person instantly. Next time, let's help them with their homework using AI Math Tutor.